In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage workspaces in Cursor so you can organize multiple projects efficiently. First, open Cursor and go to the File menu. Then select Open Workspace or Add Folder to Workspace. A workspace lets you group multiple folders or projects together in one window, so you can switch between related code bases easily. To add another project, click File Add Folder to Workspace, then select the folder you want to include. It will now appear in your sidebar alongside your existing project. You can also save your setup by going to File Save Workspace As, which creates a reusable workspace file for later. If you want to switch workspaces, simply open a different workspace file or choose a different folder to start a new one. This is especially useful when working on front-end and back-end projects together or managing multiple microservices. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.